Have you ever found yourself in the frustrating situation where your subscriber count seems to be stuck, despite your best efforts? Or maybe you're getting plenty of views, but those subscriber numbers just aren't going up. Today, I'm excited to share some practical tips with you that can instantly boost your subscriber count. These are strategies that you can implement right away to see tangible results on your channel. So let's dive in.
Number 1. Emphasize successful content.
Whenever I notice a stagnant growth in a YouTuber's channel, I always advise them to focus on what's working. In other words, create more videos similar to those that are gaining the most subscribers. To identify these videos, delve into your YouTube Studio's analytics and examine the subscription source section under the YouTube Watch page. This will reveal which videos are driving more subscribers. Subsequently, replicate the success of these videos by creating sequels or series based on them. There are two key benefits to this approach. First, these videos have a high audience satisfaction rate, evidenced by the subscribers they attract. Second, you're likely to garner more views since the algorithm recognizes the existing audience interest.
Number 2. Engaging viewers.
How many videos they typically watch before subscribing? Over 80% of them watch at least 4 to 5 videos before subscribing. Often, viewers don't consciously consider subscribing, even if they enjoy a video. However, when YouTube suggests another video by the same creator, their attention may shift to the subscribe button, leading to a potential subscription. Therefore, as creators, it's crucial to showcase more of our channel's content to viewers watching our videos. Utilizing end screens is the simplest way to achieve this, but it's essential to do it correctly. Analyzing the analytics revealed a significant increase in views from end screens alone. In summary, when adding end screens, provide viewers with a compelling reason to click, so increasing desire of them subscribing.
Number 3. Avoid direct subscription requests.
Despite the title suggesting tips for increasing subscribers, it's important not to explicitly ask viewers to subscribe. Phrases like "subscribe to my channel" have become commonplace and are often ignored by viewers. Moreover, asking for subscriptions within the first minute of a video adds little value to viewers. Instead, focus on delivering valuable content, and if viewers genuinely enjoy it, they'll subscribe without being prompted. This approach not only fosters trust, but also demonstrates that your priority is creating quality content, rather than chasing subscribers. However, if you still wish to encourage subscriptions, timing is key. Instead of the video's intro, ask viewers to subscribe at a point of high engagement within the video. Alternatively, incorporate subtle animations or requests at the end of your video, when viewer interest is at its peak.
Number 4. Enhance branding.
A professional branding strategy instills trust in your audience. But how do you achieve attractive branding on YouTube? Firstly, ensure your channel name is unique and relevant to your content. Consistency in thumbnails, such as using the same color theme or font, adds a professional touch to your channel. Additionally, customize your channel by creating playlists for different content categories. So those were the 4 tips that can help you grow your subscribers. But what if your channel is not getting views at all? In that case, you should become more familiar with the YouTube algorithm. And to learn more about it, click on the video on the screen. I'll see you there.